Hello everyone, I'm at our Macon shop. This is our first install video here. It's been a while since my last install. Today I'll focus on the installation. This vehicle is a Cadillac Escalade. Presidential motorcade vehicle, right? It looks imposing at first glance. And this black SUV looks stylish. It also has a strong masculine character. So after such a long time, I wanted to show another installation. So I started a YouTube live. These are the front side windows. The driver and front passenger windows. We'll install Santana 32%. We're in Macon, Georgia. Georgia requires 30% on front side windows, with 30% visible light transmission. That's the legal limit. Windshield limit, 70%. So in this case, the customer requested full legal compliance. Based on that request, the side windows will be 32%, and the windshield will be 70%. I've completed most of the preparation. The side film is cut. It's been a while, but I'll show you the installation process. This vehicle is fairly easy. It's large, but the windshield isn't. Windshields on Korean vehicles are often about 82 centimeters tall. Some measure 140 centimeters. This one is 76 centimeters tall. Use half the roll and install with that. It's short. The installation itself isn't particularly difficult. See the black border? Dot matrix. Modern cars use less. They use black borders. This glass has a very wide border. When tinters get a vehicle like this, we say, we hit the jackpot. Korean tinters once found Mercedes and BMW, Audi and VW difficult. Now all four are easy. American tinters might panic over a Hyundai. Apparently they do. Genesis G70, G80, and G90 models have extremely thick rubber seals around the glass. Very tight. The film must slide underneath. Sometimes it won't. That makes things difficult and makes the installation very challenging. The Escalade is a jackpot. The installation is smooth and enjoyable. Keep dust out. With that in mind, let's begin the installation. My cutting table and cart haven't arrived yet, so I made a temporary workbench. This outer edge cut is called a micro edge. For a micro edge here, the glass edge curves with rounded corners. That means this section must be cut very carefully. This isn't a standard blade. I replaced it with a stainless steel blade because the glass curves, because a large section overlaps here. The top runs deeper, while the bottom is shallower. You need to account for that slight curve. Avoid standard blades. They may scratch the glass edge, so avoid them. Before beginning any installation, whatever the installation, check how tight the seals are. Inspect the glass area. Seal. Soft or hard? This is a major concern for tinters. You need to test fit it roughly first. Even with a precise top edge, I don't think anyone will really notice. Probably nobody. They may not notice. Many probably think that having a gap here is completely normal. Especially here. Precision is rare. However, with the glass, there's a clear difference between a gap and one without a gap. Today, gap-free. The customer didn't request it. I'll still go gap-free. To demonstrate glass tint Pico edge installation. I brought tools from Korea. Some missing. My cleaning squeegee is missing. So I'll use another tool. I appreciate your understanding. Normally, I use a soft cleaning squeegee. Know it? My usual cleaner, but it's not here. A very convenient tool, rarely used here. It's really interesting. Instead, they struggle with a stiff urethane squeegee. I find that very interesting. I get this question all the time. Why does tint scratch? Scratches happen so often that some tinters wrap Teflon tape around their plastic hard cards. Scratches may force a full redo, wasting both time and film. But right now, I'm not worried about scratches. No scratches here. It's about the hard coat. I'm not saying that the hard coating is defective. For a precise installation, keep working it with a hard card. But fear of scratches makes installers hesitate. Hard coatings require much more discussion. There's more to share. I'll continue that discussion another time. Scratches relate to hard coating. If you remember that one point, it will help throughout your tinting career. During this particular movement, many tinters repeat the same mistake even after 5, 7, or 10 years. Everything else perfect. But this step can pinch the film's bottom. The film may crease, letting dust in. It happens in both countries. This motion, watch it closely. In window tinting, this movement, the final motion used to finish the film, is a critical step in both side window and windshield installation. When the masking is done properly, only a little water reaches the top. Thorough masking is beneficial for both the customer and the installer. More solution on the car, the greater the possibility, means more risk, so be careful. With that, the Cadillac door installation is complete. Next, I'll show the windshield installation. Thank you.